Men, listen up. If you're struggling with low energy, slow muscle growth, or just feeling drained every day, there's one natural superfood that could completely change the game for you. And no, it's not some expensive supplement or mystery pill. It's a simple green plant called Moringa, often called the miracle tree. In this video, I'm going to show you how Moringa can naturally boost your testosterone, supercharge your energy, help build muscle, and even improve your skin and beard growth, all in just 2 weeks of daily use. So stick with me until the end, because you'll see exactly how to use it step by step. Moringa isn't new. It's been used for centuries in India, Africa, and Asia as part of traditional medicine. In fact, ancient cultures called it the tree of life because almost every part of it, the leaves, the seeds, the pods, is loaded with nutrients. Gram for gram, Moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, more iron than spinach, and more potassium than bananas. They also contain plant-based protein, magnesium, and zinc, the exact minerals your body needs to regulate testosterone, build strength, and recover faster. Think of it like this. Moringa is nature's multivitamin, but without the chemicals, fillers, or huge price tag. So what exactly can Moringa do for men? Let's break it down. Number 1. Boosts testosterone naturally. Zinc and magnesium are two of the most powerful minerals for male hormone balance, and Moringa is full of both. That means more energy, better workouts, and even improved drive. Number 2. Improves stamina and blood flow. Moringa helps your circulation, which doesn't just mean better endurance at the gym. It also means more stamina in daily life. Number 3. Supports muscle growth. With its natural plant protein and antioxidants, Moringa helps your muscles recover faster after workouts, so you can train harder and see results quicker. Number 4. Skin and beard health. The antioxidants and vitamins in Moringa fight free radicals, slow down aging, and give your skin a glow. Many men also report fuller beard growth with consistent use. In short, more energy, more strength, better recovery, and a healthier, sharper appearance, all from one plant. Now let's talk about how you can actually use it. The easiest way is to use Moringa powder. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons to a glass of water, stir, and drink it in the morning. You can also add it to smoothies, mix it with juice, or sprinkle it over your meals. If you like tea, you can make Moringa tea by steeping the dried leaves in hot water. It has a mild, earthy flavor, and you can even add a little honey or lemon for taste. The key is consistency, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, every day. Most men start to notice higher energy within the first week, better workouts after 2 weeks, and changes in skin and mood shortly after. This is not a quick fix pill. It's a daily habit that gives your body exactly what it needs. Here's the best part. Real men around the world are already using Moringa with amazing results. Some report that their energy levels shot up within days, making early mornings and workouts so much easier. Others saw visible changes in their muscle recovery, less soreness, faster gains. Many noticed clearer skin, better sleep, and even more confidence. And when you compare it to expensive supplements, pre-workouts, testosterone boosters, or those overpriced multivitamins, Moringa comes out on top. It's cheaper, safer, and it's completely natural. No synthetic chemicals, no side effects, just pure nutrition. Now a quick word of caution. Moringa is powerful, but don't go overboard. Too much at once can cause stomach upset. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. And remember, it's not magic. It works best when you combine it with good sleep, exercise, and a balanced diet. You're taking medication or have health conditions. Always check with your doctor first. But for most men, it's completely safe. So let's wrap this up. Moringa is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. For men, it can naturally raise testosterone, increase stamina, build muscle, and even improve skin and beard growth, all without expensive supplements. Start small. Try it for 2 weeks and watch how your body responds. If you're ready to give it a shot, I've linked a trusted source for pure Moringa powder below this video. And before you go, make sure to hit subscribe because I'll be sharing more powerful food hacks and natural remedies to transform your health and body. Thanks for watching. Your transformation starts today.